Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is this Hoover ban. Dry machine is making loud noise. Because of that we have to check what is exactly problem. If it is coming the abnormal noise from the dry machine, it should be we have to check 2-3 item. First of all we have to check blower, otherwise blower pulley and motor pulley, and we built adjustable pulley, motor bush. Actually this motor is not coming bearing, this is bush type motor. Because of that we have to check bush also, and we will go to the next step. First we have to remove the back of two screws. After that we can take it up top cover, and first we have to remove these two screws, and then we can take this two like that, and here lock, this one push lock. Actually here we have to remove like that. You can see it's very easy. And now we can top cover we can keep like that. No need to remove hole, just simply we can do the job. We have to check now belt. Look like belt is okay, and drum roller, everything we have to check. Door lock, two wires, and after that we have to remove this way having two screws also we have to remove. Take it up, take it here. Two locks are here downside, here one, other one is here, and we can take it up like that. You can see the lock here, and we will keep one side here. Remove this duct. Here screws, 4 screws are here. Remove already. Now we can take it here, two locks. One lock is here, other lock is here. Now we can lift up. At that time it will come like that, it will come. Now we have to release the belt from the here. You can see here it's I already removed. Now we can take it out. Drum, now we can check everything. This drum roller, no issue. This one, it is okay, no problem. Also this one also no issue. And adjustable pulley, yeah, that adjustable pulley also no issue. Now we have to check blower loose or not. Blower no loose, not actually. The problem I can see now, what I identify this motor having loose here. You can see this is bush type motor. We have to replace the bush, otherwise we have to convert bush to bearing. Because of that we have to remove this blower and we have to take it out. Locks, two locks. you can see, and we can take it up like that. Also we can take it out motor also, and easy to remove all the screws, because we have to remove the blower and we have to check bush. This is 100% bush gone, because of that making abnormal noise while running time with the drum. Now we can keep, no need to remove all the harness, because we have to find out always easy job. Now we can take it out motor. After removing blower, we can take this blower duct cover also. After that, motor will get free. After removing that, we have to remove this pulley, and first we will remove the blower. After that, we will go to the next step. Now I'm going to remove the blower. You can see here it's already mentioning it is tightened this way, that's mean clockwise. Remove, it is anti-clockwise. It's already arrow marks are here, two side. Now we have to remove, mean anti-clockwise, we have to turn it. After that this will come out, and we will remove and check. Now you can see it's very easy. Now it's already, we remove that. Now here you can see three nuts. After that, blower duct cover we can remove. Now we can take it out. Now you can see the lock. We can remove very simply. Also here also it out. Tightening anti-clock, loose clockwise should be. Now I already remove pulley nut. Now I have to remove the connector, because we are going to remove this one. We have to check the bush. Now we can remove. Now we have to remove this here one lock nut. We have to remove this lock nut. After that, anyway, we have to heat. This glue will go. Very careful. We have to do this job. This lock we have to remove. It's a little bit difficult, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to drill this one. This is the easy way. Remove this nut, you can see, otherwise it's very difficult to remove. Now dear friends, what I have to do now, I already did this job. This one I make for the, I remove the bush and I converted to bearing. This is bearing size is, this is sharp size, half inch, 6201 2 RS, that's mean half inch. We can replace simply this bearing. This is the easy job for us, otherwise the bush difficult. This is the bearing size, we can fix simply, no issue. Now first of all we will make the bearing here, fix the bearing here. Bearing, but unfortunately I purchased this NSK 6201, it's not actually suitable, this one. Now bearing already I fixed 2 bearings. Now I have to fix to the motor, and you can see this one, it should come here up. This is the, this one should come like that. Now I arrange all the alignment smoothly running. First of all we have to fix this lock, after that is running like that, bearing no any problem, it should run like that. Now I'm going to paste. I'm using this standard epoxy adhesive